Hello everyone! Halloween is just around the corner and this is the perfect time to add some spooky and cute flair to your ballet class attire. Whether you're prepping for a themed class or just want to have a little fun, I have some easy and creative Halloween costume ideas that are perfect for dancers. Hello, my name is Olivia and I'm a lifelong ballerina and classical musician here on YouTube. Just a quick note that I'm not an Amazon affiliate. However, I want to make accessorizing your ballet looks really easy for you, so I went ahead and linked all the products below that I'll be showing in this video. Let's go ahead and get into some fun ways to accessorize your ballet attire for class. First up, we have the classic Black Cat look. All you need is a black leotard or shirt, and then perhaps a black skirt or black tights, or whatever bottoms you feel comfortable in. And then you can go ahead and add a cat ear headband and sleek black tail. Now on to outfit idea number 2, which is a beautiful butterfly. You can don a colorful ballet outfit, some beautiful wings, some clip-on antennas, and you are good to float around in and dance. Third on our list is the Minnie Mouse ballerina look. All you need is a simple black leotard or shirt and a polka dot skirt, and of course, the adorable mouse headband. Costume idea number 4 is bringing some magic of the Nutcracker to class with an inspired Sugar Plum Fairy look. Go ahead and pair a sparkly tiara, perhaps some fairy wings, and maybe even a magic wand in different pastel colors to channel this wonderful character. Now, this look that I put together today is an attempt at the Sugar Plum Fairy costume. I will say a quick disclaimer that if you're going for this costume, you're definitely going to want a tiara that's smaller than this one, as this would be kind of a little bit wacky to wear in class and would definitely fall off your head, especially during turns or something involving more movement. So also just a little tip here to keep your dance movements in mind and make sure that the accessories that you wear are accessories that you feel comfortable dancing in. Next up on our list is a vampire costume. All you need is a black leotard or shirt as a base, and then you can add a simple beaded necklace or choker with little fake blood on it for that classic vampire vibe. This is really great to have a really minimal accessory added to your ballet costume, so it won't be too distracting if you're someone who might be easily distracted by really extravagant accessories. Next up, we have a gothic ballerina or dancer. You can achieve this look by using this black lace choker, as well as this deep red costume on Amazon. And now costume number 7, which is the skeleton dancer. If you're feeling a little bone chilling, go ahead and try a skeleton ballet look. You can wear skeleton leggings or even a leotard with skeleton graphics. This is fun, easy, and definitely stands out in class. Whether you go for something classic like the Black Cat or something super cute like Minnie Mouse, you're definitely going to have a fun time at your Halloween ballet class. So I do recommend that you check in advance with your teacher to make sure that accessorizing your look is okay before you go to class on Halloween. Go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know which look is your favorite, or if you have any fun costume ideas that I haven't covered today. Just a reminder that I do have a beginner ballet playlist here on YouTube that teaches you how to dance ballet from your very first lesson with no experience needed. Go ahead and click the link above or in the description box below to get started and get dancing from your very first lesson. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification for all my future videos, especially for the spooky ballet series. Thank you again for tuning in today, and I hope that you have a fantastic spooky season and happy holidays. Take care and see you again soon.